Om Shri Manjunathaya Namaha. Very good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Prakash HS. I am the Director of MBA, SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad. SDM is an institution having more than 40 years of experience in imparting quality management and engineering education. SDM institution is an autonomous institution under VTU. Autonomous institution always will have a student-centric approach and recent and robust syllabus in line with the industry. Still, if you have a question like why SDM MBA, I will have an answer to you. SDM is an institution headed by Parama Pujya Padma Vibhushana, the great visionary Dr. D. Virendra Hegdeji. The kind of values and ethics he follows, same thing will percolate down. We believe in walk the talk. In some cases, we try to walk an extra mile to fill the dreams of our stakeholders. The time-tested institution under VTU. The benefit of VTU is what you know. The students of VTU will always have an upper hand when it comes to placement. The department is having academic collaboration with top B school like SDM IMD Mysore. The professors of SDM Mysore will engage effective classes to our students. Comparatively, the department is having very good team of teaching faculty members. 5 out of 7 are having PhD and remaining 2 have cleared NET. The benefit is when we have highly experienced faculty members, they can engage in highly effective classes with a research background. The department is having constant industry institute interaction, and semester wise we take our students to companies like Tata Marco Polo, Tata Hitachi, Pepsi and many more. And we do organize sessions of the experts from those companies. We give more important to overall development of the students. Therefore, we try to amplify the importance of soft skill and personality development. Many a times, our students will have gamut of information, but they lack expression. Therefore, they lose opportunities. Considering the fact, we have systematic and methodical training program on soft skill and personality development. Our president always stresses a point that we should not prepare mere clerk who always writes others' account. Rather, he or she must start writing their own account. He meant to say that produce some entrepreneurs. We do consider it as one of the prime objective and design our curriculum accordingly. Try to make students job creator than job seeker. Our major strength is our placements. College is having a dedicated placement officers. Hence, we could able to place our students in an MNCs. Last year record is proving it. A total of 82 offers we have received with the highest package of 5 lakh. We do have methodical training program in place. One more strength of the department is offering university dual specialization. The intention of offering dual specialization is soon after MBA, a guy or a girl finds it difficult to find a suitable job on their own interest, but another specialization will rescue them. The students have already burdened their parents enough. Soon after their MBA, they should be in a position to stand on their own feet. Considering the facilities we offer, the profile of the faculty, activities we organize and the infrastructure facility we have, our fees is very economical. Our president always stresses a point, we are not here to make money, but we are here to serve the society. Our annual fee includes 2 sets of uniform and 2 semester exam fees, one visit to Sri Kshetra Dharmasthala and 3 days study tour. And then in the end, I would say MBA is a corporate training program. It cannot be taught within 4 walls. Hence, all our activities are in line with it. We practice the model of experiential learning. Every semester, there will be activities like conference, conclave, workshop, cultural competition, sports competition and all. All these activities are managed by students. Faculty members they just observe. And as a director of MBA, I would like to welcome you all to the campus. Do visit us and experience the beauty of nature. I promise your 2 years life in SDM CET will be memorable and colorful. Thank you.